Are you tired of using white primer and losing the natural color of wood or MDF? Do you want to use the natural color of your wood in your project? Then here we are introducing sanding sealer. Sanding sealer or wood sealer effectively blocks the pore and provides a layer of protection so the paints will not seep in or it will not smudge. Apply a thin even layer of primer on the surface. So sealer not only acts as a primer for your wooden surfaces but also enhances the natural fiber of the wood. They might alter the color of wood or MDF slightly. Once it is dry thoroughly, sand it. Sand it gently. You can use sandpaper between number 120 to 240. Sand it gently till it is smooth. Then remove the dust and now the surface is ready to be used. Let's test the two surfaces, one which has a sanding sealer and one which doesn't have a sanding sealer applied to it. Let's see the difference in effect. As you can see, colors are more vibrant on surface with sealer applied. So, sealer allows you to use the natural color of your wooden surface and also reduces the absorption of paint. Same effect can be achieved by applying less amount of paint. I hope you enjoyed this video about sealer. Do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.